Ganesh is the son of Shiva and Parvati. He is the god of learning. He is the elephant-headed god, who is the most popular among the Hindu deities.
It's the most marketable god actually. 24/7, 365 days, every day this god is revered.
We just completely believe in him, have faith in him, we play with him, we have fun with him, we share all our problems. As we talk to human people, literal human people, we have a talk with him.
Basically this festival has been started since pre-independence period, and it was started by our leader Lokmanya Tilak. The main purpose of this festival was to get people together socially so that they can have a fight against Britishers. And then from then onwards, like so many people started bringing this murtis, as we say, as a Ganesh idol in every houses. And like this festival is being celebrated for 10 days. And like on the 10th or 11th day, this murti is being immersed into the sea water or into the lake. This festival starts on this Ganesh Chaturthi, and on this day people bring this murti into their households and into the society and in the big institutions.
Well, you see, India is a land of festivals, but especially in this part of India, in Mumbai, they celebrate Ganapati, I mean the Ganesh festival, a lot. I mean, you can see huge statues of Ganesh idols in every part of Mumbai. They play drums around for a specific beats and they dance to the tune of it.
Today is the 10th day or the 11th day. It's called the Ganpati Idol Immersion, where Lord Ganesha is immersed in water and await for the god to come again next year, for this festival to come.
We say that come next year as soon as possible and give us all the blessings which he could give, and spread lovingness and kindness and humanity everywhere.
So that's how they say Ganpati Bappa Moria, Purcha Varshi Laukariya. Come next time early, as soon as possible.
You come out of where you can feel a jingle in your heart to see around the people having the highs in their hearts to celebrate this occasion just for their own gods.
This festival brings unity amongst people. Not only Hindus, Muslims also celebrate this festival. That's why it's more of a unity kind of festival. People do believe in this festival.
For this festival, there is no community or caste or feeling or nothing. Everybody together, they participate and make it a grand success.
Lord Ganesha comes with the motive of peace. So there's peace around the world, there's peace around Mumbai, there's peace around India.
You know, still my goosebumps are standing up when I'm talking about it. So it's really, I can't say in a word. I don't have any word to express right now to say. Side.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया। मोरया, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती